Happy Sunday and welcome to Cooking with Shalonda. Today our recipe will be shrimp fried rice. You would need 4 cups of cooked rice, peas, shrimp, green onion, yellow onion, garlic, 3 eggs, sesame seed oil, olive oil, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. We're going to heat our skillet or a wok. We're going to use a skillet today. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, or sesame oil rather. That's 1. And then here's 2. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's 1. And here's number 2. I'm going to let that heat up. There. Next to that, we're going to add our shrimp and cook them to the oil. We're going to add our shrimp and we're going to cook them to their pink. Here's a spoon here. This is about 2 pounds of just little petite shrimp. We want to cook them until they're, again, to their pink. I'm going to tell you, I got inspired from cooking as a young girl. I used to just love home ec class. And it carried over into my adult life. We're going to cook the shrimp until they're light pink, about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're going to drain them on a paper towel to drain some of the oil off of it. And you can see how some of the shrimp are getting that light pink color. Looking delicious. Shrimp and place them on a paper towel so they can drain.
Why don't you just use the strainer?
Because we want to keep the oil so that we can add the vegetables to it. Okay. To this, the remaining, we're going to add our peas and our yellow onions. This is about a ½ cup of yellow onions. I'm going to cook this about a minute or so, just enough for the vegetables to get soft. Cook that egg. And cut my fire down a little bit.
So why you want to put the eggs in the middle?
So that we can scramble it and then we don't get it all incorporated with the vegetables until the end. Now we can stir it into the vegetables. And from there, we're going to add our shrimp back into it. And our shrimp back into it. And our green onions. Optional vegetables you can use is some carrots as well as some corn. But I just kind of like my shrimp fried rice with peas. To this, we're going to add our cooked rice. Incorporate it.
This looks like Panda Express.
It's better than Panda Express. It's Shalonda Express.
I forgot I'm still on video. I'm not supposed to talk.
To this, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, or as
Soy sauce.
I'm sorry, soy sauce. Thanks to my sous chef here. You're going to add at least 3 tablespoons or as much as you like. And remember that soy sauce has this is the low sodium soy sauce, but you need to be careful with how much you use for so it won't be as salty. I'm going to add a little bit more soy sauce.
A little bit more?
Cameraman, you can't be talking on my set. Shalonda's Kitchen is looking for a new cameraman. Do you know anybody that's needing a job? I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of black pepper and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Remember, if you're using a high sodium soy sauce, you might not want to add as much salt. Incorporate the pepper and the salt in there. And there you have it. Shrimp fried rice. Courtesy of allrecipes.com. I'm going to pair this. I'm going to pair this shrimp fried rice with some fried chicken. And we're going to have a happy Sunday meal. Have a good afternoon. Again, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.